Yes, student. Our question number 6 under exercise 2.1 is what? Find the side and perimeter of a square whose side is a 10 centimeter. First we draw one square. That square is a what? A, B, C and D. Find the side and perimeter of a square whose find the side and perimeter of a square whose diagonal, not side, whose diagonal is 10 centimeter. So student, this is ABCD is a square. We draw one diagonal, that is diagonal, and this diagonal is a what? 10 centimeter. This diagonal is a what? 10 centimeter. Now in quadrilateral, suppose let quadrilateral ABCD is a square. ABCD is a what? A square. Therefore AB is equal to BC, BC is equal to CD, and CD is equal to AD, because all the sides of squares are what? Congruent. All the sides of squares are what? Congruent. Therefore ABCD, AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to AD. We give it as first. Now in triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degree. Why? All angles of squares are what? 90 degree. Angle B is equal to 90 degree. Therefore by Pythagoras theorem, by Pythagoras theorem, what is Pythagoras theorem? This AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Now AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So what's the value of AC? 10. 10 the whole square is equal to AB. AB square plus BC is also AB, because AB is equal to BC. Therefore AB square. Why? From 1. This is from 1. Now the square of 10 is a what? 100. 100. AB square plus AB square is equal to what? 2AB square. Now AB square is equal to what? 100 divided by 2. AB square is equal to what? 50. AB square is equal to what? 50. AB square is equal to what? 50. Now we find AB square is equal to 50. After that, what we write over here? What is that? AB square is equal to 50. Now AB is equal to what? Root 50. AB is equal to 25 into 2. AB is equal to 5 root 2. AB is equal to 5 root 2. So this is 5 root 2. 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 So side of a square is what? 5 root 2. Now perimeter of a square. Perimeter of a square. What is perimeter of a square? 4 into side. 4 into side. That is 4 into 5 root 2. That is 4 5 is 20 root 2. That is perimeter of a square. This is perimeter of a square. Yes, question number 7 is what? In figure 2.21, angle DEF. Angle DEF is equal to 90 degree. Angle DEF is equal to 90 degree. Angle DEF is equal to 90 degree. Sorry, it's not DEF, it's a DFE. Angle DFE is a 90 degree. Angle DFE is a 90 degree. This one is a 90 degree. FG perpendicular on ED. That means this also 90 degree. If GD is equal to 8, this GD is equal to 8. FG is equal to what? 12. Find EG, find FD, and find EF. So first we see this one in triangle DEF. In triangle DEF, this GF is the square of GF. GF square is equal to DG into GE. What is this? Geometric mean property. Geometric mean property. GF square. This GF square is equal to DG into EG. Now GF is a what? 12. The square of 12 is equal to DG is equal to what? 8 into GE. Now it is a 144, and over here it is 8 into GE. So G is equal to what? 144 divided by 8. That is GE is equal to 8 1 ja 8. Remaining is what? 6. 8 8 ja 64. GE is equal to 18. That means EG. GE or EG is equal to 18. So our first answer is EG is equal to 18. We find EG is equal to 18. This one is the 18. Now we find FD. Where is FD? FD is over here. It is FD. Now for find FD, which triangle we see? We see triangle GFGD. We see triangle FGD. How we see a triangle FGD? FGD, EG is the 18. Now in triangle FGD, in triangle FGD, angle FGD is equal to 90 degree, because this is perpendicular. If it is 90 degree, then this also is a 90 degree. Therefore by Pythagoras theorem, this is 90 degree. Opposite to this is hypotenuse. That is FD square is equal to GD square plus FG square. FD is what? We don't know. We should find that. GD is what? 8 square plus FG is what? 12. This is 64 and this is 144. FD square is equal to 64. FD square is equal to 64 plus 144, that is 208. Now FD is equal to 208 under root 208. We multiply, simplify 208. How we simplify 208? FD is equal to 208. 4 5s are 20. 4 5s are 20. 4 2s are 8. 52. 4 into 52. Just wait. 4 5s are 20. Also 16 into 16 1 just 16, 16 3, 16 into 13. That is FD is equal to 4 root 13. This will be 4 root 13. 4 root 13. So our answer FD is a 4 root 13. First answer is a easy is a 18. FD is a 4 root 13. Now what is left? Left part is that EF. We find EF also. EF is a find in a triangle. EF is a find in a triangle. Which triangle? That is FGE. In triangle FGE, angle FGE is equal to 90 degree. Therefore by Pythagoras theorem. Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, that is EG square is equal to FG square plus EF square. EG square, EG is what? 18 the whole square is equal to FG. FG is a 12 square plus EF square. Okay, 18 square 324, 144 plus EF square. Now EF square is equal to 324 minus 144. EF square is equal to 0. 12 minus 4 8. 12 minus 4 8. 2 minus 1 180. EF square is equal to root 180. Sorry, EF is equal to root 180. Root 180 will become what? EF is equal to 36 into 5. EF is equal to 6 root 5. So EF is equal to 6 root 5. That is the answer. EG is a 18, FD is a 4 root 13, and this one is a 6 root 5. The value of EF is a 6 root 5. Question number 8. Find the diagonal of rectangle whose length is a 35 centimeter and breadth is a 12 centimeter. Then first we draw one rectangle. This is rectangle PQRS, and this is diagonal PR. So find the diagonal of rectangle whose length is a 35 centimeter and breadth is a 12 centimeter. 35 centimeter and 12 centimeter. 35 centimeter and 12 centimeter. Now let quadrilateral PQRS is required rectangle and PR is a diagonal So in triangle PQR, angle PQR is equal to 90 degree. Reason, the angle of rectangle. Therefore PR square is equal to PQ square plus QR square, according to what? By Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem, PR square is equal to PQ is what? 12 plus QR is what? 35. The square of 12 is 144 and the square of 35 is what? The square of 35 is 3 4s are 12, 5 5s are 25. 3 4s are 12 plus 12 25. 12 25. 144 plus 12 25 is the how much? 1369. PR square is equal to 1369. So PR is equal to what? PR is equal to under root 1369. PR is equal to 1369. PR 1369 is the square root of 37. We find it by division method or factorization method. Division method is comfortable for this. So PR is equal to 37 centimeter. Therefore diagonal of rectangle will be 37 centimeter. Yes student, question number 9 is what? In the figure 2.22, M is the midpoint of QR. M is the midpoint of QR. Angle PRQ is a 90 degree. Angle PRQ is equal to 90 degree. Then prove that PQ square is equal to 4 PM square minus 3 PR square. So first we take, there are two triangles. There are basically three triangles. Triangle PRM, triangle PRQ and triangle PMQ. But we just want two triangles, that is PRM and PRQ, for proof this. First we take triangle PRM. In triangle PRM, angle PRM is equal to 90 degree. Why? Given. Therefore, PM square is equal to PR square plus RM square by Pythagoras theorem. So PM square is equal to PR square plus RM square. Here what? PM square. Here what? PR square. There is no RM square. So we convert it into form of RM square. RM square is equal to what? PM square minus this plus come over here. PM square minus PR square. That is our statement number 1. In triangle PRM, angle PRM 90 degree. PM square is equal to PR square plus RM square. RM square is equal to PM square minus PR square. Now we see second triangle. What is second triangle? Triangle PRQ. In triangle PRQ, PM is a median. PM is median. It means what? PM is a median. It means what? PM is a median, then therefore RM is equal to MQ. Because PM is a median. That is our second point. Now we take in triangle PRQ. In triangle PRQ, angle PRQ is equal to what? 90 degree. Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem, what is that? PQ square is equal to PR square plus RQ square. PQ square is equal to PR square plus RQ square. So RM is equal to MQ. PQ square is equal to PR square plus RM and MQ is equal. So instead of RQ we take what? 2RM, the whole square. Because RM and MQ is equal, RM plus RM is equal to what? 2RM square. Now PQ square is equal to PR square plus 4RM square. PQ square is equal to PR square plus 4RM square. Now we substitute this value. What is that? PQ square is equal to PR square plus 4RM square. What's the value of 4RM square? RM square is what? 4 PR square. This is 4. Instead of RM we write PM square minus PR square. So PQ square is equal to PR square plus 4 PM square minus 4 PR square. So PQ square is equal to PR square 4 PM. PR square minus 4 PR. First we take 4 PM square and minus PR minus 4 PR, that is 3 PR square. So that is our proof. PQ square is equal to 4 PM square minus 3 PR square. This is our proof. So student, our last question of exercise 2.1 is what? Walls of two buildings on either side of a street are parallel to each other. A ladder 5.8 meter long is placed on the street such that the top just reaches the window of building at the height of 4 meter. On turning the ladder over to the other side of the street, its top touches the window of the other building at a height 4.2 meter. Find the width of the street. Walls of two buildings on either side of a street. We represent this by diagrammatically. How? This is building number 1 and this is building number 2. Both the buildings are either side of the street. Either side of the street. This is street. A, B is the street and A, D is the first building and B, C is the second building. Now, what's the condition? Walls of two buildings on either side of a street are parallel to each other. A ladder 5.8 meter long is placed on the street such that, here we put a ladder such that placed on the street such that the top just reaches the window of building at the height of 4 meter. First ladder touch height of 4 meter and the length of the ladder is what? 5.8 meter. 5.8 meter. Now we turn this ladder to the other side of the other building's window. This reaches the height of what? This is ladder. Here also it is 5.8, but this time this reaches 4.2 meter. 4.2 meter. On turning the ladder over to the other side of the street, its top touches the window of other building at a height of 4.2 meter. Find the width of the street. We find this width of the street. What is this? We see it is E. We find AE and EB. Very simple. Parallel to each other. That means this is perpendicular. Now I rub this statement, this question, and start solving. What is that? Our assumption is what? Our assumption is that D and C in triangle DAE. In triangle DAE, angle DAE is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, DE square is equal to DA square plus AE square. Now what is that? This is 4 square, sorry, D square. This is 5.8 square and this is DA square. DA is what? 4 square. 4 square plus AE square. Now what is that? 5.8. 4 square here, come over here, 5.8 the whole square minus 4 the whole square is equal to AE square. Now what is that? 5.8 plus 4, 5.8 minus 4, minus 4. A plus B, A minus B, that is AE square. Now 5.8, 9.8 into 1.8 is equal to AE square. What is that? 18 8s are 144, 18 9s are 162 plus 14 176. 117.64 is equal to AE square. AE square. Therefore AE is equal to 17.64. Square root of 17.64. What is the square root of 17.64? The square root of 1764 is, the square of 1764, 17.64 will be what? 4.2. So this is 4.2. Value of this is a what? 4.2. AE come 4.2. Now we find EB. How we find EB? For that we take another triangle. We take another triangle. What is that? In triangle EBC. In triangle EBC, angle EBC is equal to 90 degree. Therefore EC square is equal to EB square plus BC square. Now what is that? EC is a 5.8 the whole square is equal to EB, we don't know. BC 4.2 the whole square, again that EB square is equal to 5.8 the whole square minus 4.2 the whole square. EB square is equal to 5.8 plus 4.2 and 5.8 minus 4.2. What we got? 5.8 minus 4.2, that is 10. That is 10 plus 5.8 minus 4.2, 6. 8 minus 2, 6. 5 minus 4, 1.6. 1.6 into 10, what is that? 160, that is 16. EB square is equal to 16. Therefore, EB is equal to 4. The value of EB is equal to 4. This one is a 4. Now, street length of a street is a what? AE plus EB, and A is the 4.2 plus EB 4, that is 8.2 meter. The length of a street is a 8.2 meter. So, like this exercise is completed. In next video, we do so exercise 2.2.